What is Jagjot's take on bathroom camping? Gen Zers are retreating into bathrooms, not for the usual reason, but to decompress. Scrolling, listening to music, even meditating in a stall for hours. It's become a viral coping mechanism for overstimulation and stress. What's your take on bathroom camping?
देखिए दोस्तों, बाथरूम ना हगने के लिए होता है। तो आप वहां जाके ना अपना टेंट वेंट लगाने छोड़ो, बाहर आओ।
कहाँ जाएंगे यार? कहाँ जाएंगे? आप घर से निकले, अब हॉल में बैठोगे, फिर आप बेडरूम में चले जाओगे, फिर आप कहोगे और मैं कहाँ जाऊँ? मैं कैफे में नहीं जाऊँगा, मुझे 500 नहीं देनी कॉफी के लिए। मैं अपने बाथरूम में बैठूंगा, प्लग इन माय ईयरफोन्स एंड जस्ट पीस आउट.
I would do that.
Why?
Why?
Yeah.
Actually, me time in the bathroom is a real thing, guys.
Yeah, it is.
It
Ask me,
is.
Just is always there.
Meri love lingo, love lingo, love lingo. Suddenly meri tu love lingo.
We often talk to people who've shaped their narratives, but what about the ones who are still gently finding their way out? The ones who are still becoming? Today on Love Lingo, our guest makes comedy from observation and he heals by creating, even if he hasn't said that. Because sometimes the boys who do not say much carry the most. Hi, this is Just Sagu.
Hi, this is Ursula Qureshi, and today on Love Lingo, we have the everyday Indian boy, Jagjot Singh, also known as Aapka Jugs. What's the weirdest thing about how Mumbai folks judge each other area-wise? Like the Bandra born, the southern Bombay, what's it? Soho. Sobo?
Yeah.
Not Soho, right? Sobo guys. What do you think as a person who lives in Mumbai?
ये होता है. Why does
Yeah,
it
होता है.
happen?
नहीं.
The point is that I don't live in Mumbai, I live in Thane. So people.
So you are on record saying that Thane is not Mumbai.
Thane is not Mumbai for sure. And I don't know about other people, but they keep making fun of me. Like, they're
Why?
like, whenever we're coming to your house, we have to take our whole day out, and then we have to come there, then we have to wait till night, then there would be no traffic, and they keep complaining all the time. But I need to tell everyone that Thane is really spacious.
Yeah.
तुम्हारे क्या बोलते हैं, माचिस के डिब्बे वाले घर से तो बहुत बड़ा है मेरा घर. थाने के लोगों का दिल भी बड़ा है.
अरे वाह.
मैं आया ना यहाँ अंधेरी तक, ये दिल बड़ा है मेरा, इसलिए.
Thank you. Really
Thank you.
appreciate.
See, this is what I want to understand about people, and I think this goes into behavioral science. But why do people make fun of people based on on the quadrants or where they live? और ये मैंने अमूमन ज़्यादातर साउथ बॉम्बे वालों में बहुत देखा है कि वो लोग कहते हैं where do you stay? And I've repeatedly said this on Love Lingo, and I'm saying it again because I think this rubbish should kind of go away. Is that अरे यार आप लोग अंधेरी में रहते हो या जुहू में रहते हो? Oh, we don't even consider that Bombay. We're all in the fucking world. What are you kind of demarcating by your जैसे कुत्ता वो पिस करके अपनी क्या कहते हैं टेरिटरी मार्क करता है, क्या तुम लोग कुत्ते हो क्या? I mean, I'm just saying, so just get over this. I don't understand people making fun of people based on where they live.
I think people always need to make, they want something. They want to make fun of something all the time. You're talking about location, but you can talk about, let's say, content. You can talk about movies, or you can talk about anything. People will make fun of everything and anything, no matter what.
Do you think people make fun of things they don't understand? Or do you think people deliberately make fun of things that they know this is going to hurt you? And let me just kind of punch it down there.
Well, if you go on the internet, if you will see the kids between 14 to 18 years of age, they'll deliberately make fun of you no matter whatever you do. And I'm pretty sure you must have also come across.
Of course,
the kids.
making fun in school, bullying.
Bullying,
It's
anything.
a part of growing up, but at the same time, it's pushed under the carpet because people think that they will grow out of it because they're kids.
Correct.
But how often does that happen? We grow up into adults, and some of us still not realizing probably pass a very brash comment or judge someone because they come from a certain part of a city.
But I think even there's a very thin line between making fun and cracking a joke.
That is true, but I think comedy is pretty subjective. Some people would like something, some people won't like something. There's a different set of audience for everything. Some people would like that dark humor. Some people would like a very light humor. So I think it's completely different for different people. And I feel that people shouldn't judge anyone on the basis of what they like and what type of comedy do they like.
That's a very
Valid
valid
point.
point. I want to ask you, you're in the business of comedy, you're a comedian. Is anything sacred that you cannot make fun of?
If you ask me, I would never make fun of anyone's religious sentiments. That's the most basic thing.
Okay.
I might do something political. Well, the political comedy is still okay, but right now, if you look at the news, if you don't know any certain language, if you can't speak any certain language, and if you can't, if you say anything, even if it's not so offensive, people will get mad at you. If you want to do comedy in India, stay away from religious sentiments, stay away from political jokes. Actually, just stay away from comedy.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say.
Comedy से तुम दूर रहो.
Yeah.
Tension ही नहीं.
Yeah.
With Jagjol, with the content you are creating, it seems like it comes from a person who is closely watching the world.
Correct.
Very observational, right? And I'm just curious, this skill of being so observational and creating content, is it something that comes to you naturally, or is it something that you have honed with over the years through your own experiences?
I think it came naturally only. I used to observe a lot of people. I used to observe what they're doing. I'm observing right now. I'm planning that how would I just make a spoof out of you right now.
Why not?
Just for fun. Just
Of
for fun.
course.
Yeah, we are
I am
content.
saying you have
we
to
are
make
content
fun.
worthy, right? So you can make a spoof on us.
Jagjo, that's what I love about the comedy, that you can make fun of anything.
Yeah, I like to observe everything, whatever is going around, and you pick all the anecdotes. You pick all the things, whatever people are doing. Like right now, also while I'm sitting here, I have my eyes everywhere.
Wow.
I can see someone is texting someone. Someone is
Wow.
Oh.
Very present.
Someone
See,
is
the
writing
observation is not just one-on-one.
So you're a very
it's like
observant guy.
everything, like 360 degrees.
So, like, was comedy something that intrigued you as a kid, or is something that you kind of said, नहीं यार, मुझे अब हंसना है. अच्छा, हंसाने की वजह से शुरू किया है, हंसना चाह रहे थे.
मैं इतना रो रहा था ना कि मैंने बोला कि
Oh, nice.
So आपने content creation शुरू किया when, like 10 years back?
I started the exact date 31st March 2015. It was way back when people were not even making content. I failed my 10th examination. I didn't have friends at that time because everyone just went ahead. They were finding their college and everything. So I was left with just one small Samsung ka phone ka camera and something like that. So I started making content. I started
So
learning.
ये ख्याल कैसे आया आपको कि okay, I have this time. What do I do with my life?
So I used to watch a lot of content and I used to watch a lot of films.
Like
So-
what films? Can you take us few names?
Yeah,
of
please take
content?
names of
When I
films.
was
We
a-
are film buffs.
So when I was a kid, I used to watch only Bollywood movies. Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum, Kal Ho Na Ho, and all of these movies. And I used to be very happy and I used to be like, wow, what is this world? I want to know more about this world.
Aspirational.
Aspirational. I had that interest since the beginning only. But when I failed my 10th examination, I knew that I wanted to do something with camera. I wanted to do something with acting.
So you're an actor also, Jagjot.
I like to be.
Are you an actor first and content creator second, or what is like? How do you clearly define
Define.
that for yourself?
दोस्तों मैं पहले भारतीय हूँ फिर उसके बाद so I think I'd like to say that I'm an actor first, then a content creator.
And what does acting make you feel like? What is it about acting that you love? Because that's the reason why you are Aapka Jugs, right? You create content, but it all started with this love for the camera and acting, and because you love Bollywood, like what you just said. So when you wake up every morning, you look forward to creating content. Is it creating content that will go viral, or you look up to creating or performing an art a character? What's the kick? Like, is it, oh, I'm going to perform this character today? Yeah, I've observed that real estate agent. अब मुझे वो acting करना है, मुझे acting करनी है, या यार मुझे ये funny content बनाना है और ये चलेगा.
I think right now the creator, because I keep thinking that okay, what will I make? What would go viral? What would not go viral?
Got it.
And I want to act in movies and shows for sure, and I am trying every single day. I'm trying to get better every single day.
Nice.
And the reason why I want to act is because I love the camera. I love the camera. मुझे
Wow.
कैमरा से बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार है. देखो मैं अभी आपको घूर घूर के नहीं देख रहा लोगों
Wow.
को.
I love to
कैमरा
hear that.
कैमरा
I love
शर्मा
to
रही
hear
है,
that.
शर्मा रहा है.
या क्योंकि ये कॉन्फिडेंस बहुत कम लोगों में
Yeah.
है और मैंने तो मतलब जिंदगी में अपने बहुत कम देखा है कि लोग या कैमरे से बट कैमरा का रेसिप्रोकल लव जो होता है यू थिंक द कैमरा लव्स यू
वो एक अलग नशा है.
I'm 100% sure the camera loves me.
yes
But the one thing that I picked on very early on when I came across your page is your acting. I felt like you were picking up on nuances of different characters day to day life में जो आपकी interaction है, जो आप observe करते हो. That's something that I really enjoyed watching in your skits. That's something I would like to appreciate.
are you a trained
for.
actor or is it all by yourself
All by myself, completely by myself.
really
Yeah.
and did you sometimes think that you might want to go just for one of these coaching classes that are there
All the appreciations to all the coaching classes. They are doing really, really well. But I think coaching classes, they teach you a lot. And even if I go right now also to coaching classes, they'll teach me so many things that I don't know. But earlier when I wanted to go to coaching classes, I didn't have enough money.
got it
And because I didn't have enough money, so all I had was just YouTube and some streaming platforms. So all I used to do is just watch movies. In one of this podcast, Anurag Kashyap also said that the best learning that you'll get is by watching movies.
So I have a question for you. There is a certain kind of drive that doesn't come just with ambition. It comes from memory. It comes from loss. And I would like to understand your why and the reason for you to keep going. What is your motivator? Jagjot Singh, known as Aapka Jags, creates content. What's your motivator?
You know, when you have everything, my grandparents, my father, my mother, they gave me everything, whatever they can. When I was just 12 or 13, I remember there were a lot of financial issues going on in my family, and my father took a huge loan which he couldn't repay. So the one big bungalow, I mean, दोस्तों मुंबई में घर होना इज अ बहुत बड़ी बात है.
Absolutely.
50% प्रिविलेज तो वहीं आ जाती है. तो आपका जब वो घर चले जाता है तो आपको पता नहीं होता कि आप क्या करें. और मैं था बस एक 13 साल का बच्चा, स्टिल ग्रोइंग, स्टिल लर्निंग अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. एंड आई थिंक 13 years is something where you really want to explore the world.
Yes.
Where you meet people, where you start developing feelings for other people.
Right.
deep ones
Deep ones. So I couldn't experience all of that.
you couldn't
I couldn't because the house just went away. We were completely lost. We didn't have any house to stay. And right at that time, my mom and dad also separated. And I didn't know what to do. I was completely lost. Then I was not doing good with studies also. I remember I used to travel from one place to another place because the place where I was staying at that moment, the house where I was staying at that time, was really far because it was pretty cheap. So we couldn't afford a big house also again. We couldn't rent out a big house because we didn't have enough money at that time. So when you lose everything, you work really hard every single day. And वो कहते हैं ना, आपको आप अपना मन नहीं मारना पड़ता. तो मेरी पूरे जो 10 साल थे, from 13 to 23, I remember sacrificing everything. I remember I used to get clothes from someone else. I'm wearing their clothes. I'm eating from someone is sending a food to us. So I wanted that to end completely. I wanted to earn. I wanted to work, and I knew that no offense to people who are doing a job right now, but I knew that if I'm gonna do job, that money is not gonna fulfill my dreams. That money is not gonna get me a house. Right now, I'm working every single day to get that house, to give my family a better life every single day. And it's going well right now. My family is happy. We are all staying at a very good place. I'm staying alone. अकेला रहता हूँ दोस्तों, रिस्पॉन्सिबल हूँ, साफ सफाई रखता हूँ, आप भी रखो, बैचलर मत बनो. And I'm very happy right now, at peace. I'm the happiest right now because I'm doing this podcast.
Oh, wow, यार,
Thank you for making my day.
लेकिन मैं थोड़ा अनहैप्पी हूँ एक बात सुन के.
बोलो बोलो.
ये 13 साल की उम्र से, और आपने कहा कि आप मतलब 12 साल आप कुछ अपनी ख्वाहिशात पूरी नहीं कर पाए. यार हार्मोन्स का क्या होगा यार, मतलब कुछ मिला?
हाँ हाँ.
मतलब ठीक हो
मैं-
था थी थू जो भी था,
नहीं, मैं एकदम
करा वो सब, टेक केयर किया?
yeah.
नहीं यार, वो
all right.
देखो, as Freud
Yeah,
says,
yeah.
these
Yeah.
are emotions that we can, they're, you know, they kind of repress.
Yes.
Any kind of sexual repressing of your, वो उसके, मेरे ख्याल से इस पे भी आप जोक कर सकते हो ना?
Yeah.
इस पे तो कमाल जोक आएगा आपकी तरफ से.
Over the time तो मुझे कुछ नहीं मिला.
क्या यार?
सूखा पड़ गया था दोस्तों.
सूखा पड़ गया था, सूखा पड़ गया था, सही बोला.
मेरी मम्मी या मेरे पापा किसने बोला था मुझे पता नहीं, बट दे टोल्ड मी कि शादी ना एक जैकपॉट की तरह है कि अगर तुमने वो लॉटरी की जो टिकट होती है ना तुमने ले ली है, तो या तो तुम्हारी लॉटरी नहीं लगेगी, या तो लग गई तो तुम जिंदगी भर माला माल हो, जी रहे हो एकदम अच्छे से. सो फॉर मी having a good partner is really important who understands you, and I think the best thing is that your partner should be actually मैं इसलिए नहीं कह रहा क्योंकि मैं बॉलीवुड मूवीज देखता हूँ, but your partner should be your best friend, because I feel at one point the spark would kind of go away. I feel, I could be wrong, मैं पहले ही कह रहा हूँ, मैं गलत हो सकता हूँ, but the friendship would stay intact. And because you're best friends, you talk to each other about everything, you guys know each other, so that could go well. I think, yeah.
What's your longest relationship?
2.5 years. Not bad.
Not bad.
Yeah.
Not bad.
How are you dealing with the end of a relationship?
So I definitely don't behave like Kabir Singh. I think I isolate myself a bit, because I think no matter whatever people say that, oh, you should distract yourself, you should talk to somebody, but even if I'll talk to somebody, मुझे एक चीज़ पता है कि जब मैं रात को सोने जा रहा हूँ तो मैं अकेले ही सोने जा रहा हूँ. शिट, अकेले, फिर से अकेला. तो जब आप अकेले रहते हो, अपने थॉट्स के साथ रहते हो, then what will you do? You can't just keep talking to everyone. You need your time. I had a very long relationship. Some people would know it, some people won't know it. I don't know, but
Very long, मतलब 2.5, no?
Yeah, 2.5. So
Long, it's pretty long.
It's a marriage. आज की डेट में मैरिज है
आज
भाई.
की डेट में मैरिज है.
हाँ, आज की डेट में मैरिज है. सही है, आगे बढ़ो.
So आज 5-6 months हो गए. Still getting better, I feel.
But not fully.
Not fully.
So, okay, I have to ask you this. People break up, right? Or they're on a break.
Yeah.
Is it okay to see other people when you're on a break? Like, you're not broken up, but you're on a break. You're taking a break with each other. But you can you pursue like interests that can lead to a bedroom or a sofa? Is that okay?
I really feel that if two people are on break, that means there's something that just went away. The spark just went away. That's why you're taking that break. Or else why would you take that break?
Right.
And if that break is happening, I feel that breakup would eventually happen.
Oh, so if people are on a break, the breakup will happen.
Will happen. It happened with me because I had like 2 strong relationships. And in the first relationship, the same thing happened. They were like, we are on a break, we'll take a break, we'll just figure out as friends. And then I was like, okay, fine, we'll figure out as friends. और फिर ये अचानक किसी और को डेट कैसे करने लग गई? ये अचानक तेरे लाइफ में कोई और कैसे आ गया?
So she
Does
opted
that hurt?
out.
Yeah.
It hurt?
does. Not now, but
Then it did.
Yeah, then it did.
तभी नहीं पिया.
तब भी नहीं पिया.
Wow.
गम में नहीं पीता मैं पीता ही नहीं हूँ.
Good यार. ये तो अच्छा मैसेज है. Very good message.
Amazing.
All the beautiful people out there who are easily offended. There's nothing to be offended by. Comedy is not sacred. And in my observation, and this is strictly my observation, that I have gone to funerals where there is a dead body in the room and people are chuckling and laughing. I'm not saying that I adhere to that behavior or that that's the right behavior to have, but I'm just saying that in life, you don't know where you can find humor or where humor finds you. And I'm not saying that it's etiquette to laugh at a funeral, but I'm just saying that it does happen, right? And sometimes the most brilliant comedies do erupt from tragic situations. And I'm sure that all of us have been totally solemn, sad, and there is something that just kind of shakes us up and brings a smile to our face. And it's happened to all of us. So, yeah, in my personal view, nothing is sacred, nothing is sacrosanct. You can laugh at anything, and you can laugh with anything.
Would you like to date a girl who is a comedian, who is got the same attributes like you, or you want somebody who is so way different from what you are, because you probably think that's more thrilling?
The only thing that would matter to me is that I am enjoying my conversations with them. I think conversations are really, really important for me. I would not want the person to be in the same field that I am in. There would be comparison, there would be competition. The whole conversation would be about, oh, इसने ये किया, उसने वो किया, इसने ऐसा किया, हम ये हैं. मुझे वो लूप में फंसना ही नहीं है.
Okay, so this is my take on life. Whenever I have said never, I don't want something like this ever or never.
सामने
वही
गिर पड़ा.
चीज मेरे सामने आई है तो थोड़ा सा उससे
But
डर
I'm
लगता
thinking
है.
you're speaking from your experience.
Yeah.
Got it. So
Yeah.
for next time, they better not be.
Let's see. I'm gonna
But
keep
never
a
say
watch on-
never.
Never say never. So Indian comedians, India में जो comedy करते हैं comedians, कौन पसंद है आपको? क्यों पसंद है? And any like Bollywood star you think is really good at comedy? And do you think comedy is important for survival?
Yeah.
I asked you too many questions. You can take your time.
Comedy is important. I keep watching a lot of comedians. I used to watch Kenny Sebastian a lot. I used to watch Vedas a lot. The storytelling of Zakir Khan, so good when it comes to storytelling. And if you talk about Bollywood actors, I think Paresh Rawal's comic timing is excellent.
Yeah, he is funny. I
And
like
there are
him
a lot
too.
of Bollywood actors जिनकी comic timing बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी है. You know, yesterday I was watching a very brain rot comedy movie, but I was laughing.
कौन सी थी?
I was watching Son of Sardar. It made no sense. The jokes made no sense, but I was laughing. मुझे हंसी आ रही थी.
Yeah.
तो I think वो brain rot comedy ना मतलब एक वो कर देती है यार कि ओ भाई.
जिसमें कहते थे घर ब्रेन छोड़ के आओ.
हाँ,
वो वाली ना.
वो वाली comedy.
मुझे आज तक आया नहीं वो कैसे करना था. मतलब इंस्ट्रक्शंस मिलते थे, लीव योर ब्रेन्स एट होम या कुछ ऐसा था. मैंने कहा ये कैसे करेंगे यार. आपके पास कोई इंस्ट्रक्शन मैनुअल या ब्लूप्रिंट है
So
तो
this
देना.
is where this is the it's like borderline cringe, right?
Yeah.
Like I enjoy watching cringe a lot.
Yeah.
It's for me therapy. Like
Yeah.
if I'm like, okay, brain rot, cringe, I get it. I don't think you get
I
it.
get it. Now I get
Now
it
you
because I
get
watch it too.
Ah, now she gets
I
it.
think some people watch it just to, you know, it makes them feel a bit superior.
Yeah, man, you're so right.
कि हम तो नहीं है ना ये लोग करें तो देख के हंसी रहे हम तो नहीं.
Oh my
ऐसा ही है ना?
god.
सही है.
और ये एक और शो आई डोंट वांट टू टेक इट्स नेम जाने दो. हाँ, बिग बॉस के साथ ऐसा ही है ना.
Yeah.
क्या हाँ यार ये देखो, अरे हमें तो कोई करोड़ों
Very
रुपए भी देगा हम तो नहीं
perfect
जाएंगे.
psychology.
कट्टू जिसने बोला हम नहीं जाएंगे वो बिग बॉस में है. आई हैव सीन दैट आल्सो.
और आपको पता है बिग बॉस इतना ज्यादा क्यों चला है? अभी सीजन 19 आ रहा है.
मुझे नहीं पता, आप बताइए.
अरे दुनिया में जो है ना लोग उनको झगड़े देखना बहुत पसंद है.
हाँ यार.
इतने ज्यादा पसंद है झगड़े. 19 सीजन यार, 19 सीजन. वो
Yeah.
जिन्होंने बनाया है ना बिग ब्रदर, उनके इतने सीजन नहीं है जितने
नहीं
इंडिया ने
नहीं.
बनाया.
एंड आई टेल यू व्हाई
20
झगड़े.
साल होने
आपने बहुत पते की बात कही. दुनिया को झगड़े देखना बहुत पसंद है. यू नो द रीजन फॉर इट. आई जस्ट गिव इट अर्लियर. एक तो सेक्सुअली रिप्रेस्ड होते हैं. दूसरी बात ये होती है पीपल डोंट गो टू थेरेपी. These are two reasons that whatever you see, the chaos in the world is caused by these two salient points. If they are addressed, then we will have a more peaceful, or at least more, not a hostile world that we are kind of facing right now.
From content creation, Jagjot, you've now gone on to, and this is a leap, you have started your own cafe. It's called Hapka Cafe. Tell us something about that journey, that experience. How did that happen?
I think there was always a thought that I want to get into this food business and make it big, because my brother his name is Harpreet. He knows a lot about food business and he has worked with a lot of big restaurants.
Okay.
So he wanted to open something of his own,
Right.
but when he trusted someone else out there, the investors were not so kind enough at that time. So it didn't work out well, and that restaurant had to shut down. So I came up with this idea that let's open. I kept pushing him, and then he was like, okay, fine, let's go ahead with this. And we opened the restaurant Hapka. The name Hapka is pretty random, to be honest. It just came out of nowhere.
Is it
Hapka.
a palindrome? Like your Apka, Hapka?
Yeah, something like that. So it just came
Hum
like that.
sabka.
Hum sabka, हाँ. So Hapka is Indo-Chinese cuisine, I guess, Indian Chinese,
Okay.
and it's very like desi Chinese touch है पूरा उसमें. Restaurant business is not something that would flourish in the first few months only.
Right.
But in the first 3 months, there was a break even, and then I had to pay. Till now, I didn't pay anything from my pocket. After that, the restaurant business is already doing well. There are
Wow.
people coming from Andheri, from Bandra, from Raleigh, and so many people are coming. I remember that day someone called up. He was riding his bike, so he was like, "I am coming from Nasik, 6 hours away. He's coming from Nasik just to try this."
That's what I was saying. So your popularity on the gram
Yeah.
is contributing to your success in the restaurant business.
And it's doing well right now. Every single day, whenever I talk to my brother or whenever I go there, a lot of people meet me, and there's so much of joy when I meet people. I mean, attention to लोगों को बहुत पसंद
So
है.
are there moments in the cafe when you're sitting there as a content creator or just a guy running his place?
I think both of them. I think whenever I visit my restaurant, there's this one thing in my mind that I want to churn out some content. I'll go home, edit and post about it. And at this point, people are asking us that, hey, can we buy the franchise because we really love the food? But we're like one step at a time. Good things take time.
Yes.
It's just been 1 year.
Right.
We're already doing well. There's profit coming. I think when you are in a field like this, when you're a content creator, even though you're confident that no, the content would work always, I'll be relevant, I'll try to evolve with time, but you never know what's going to happen next. Today you're there, tomorrow what if Instagram is not there? What if YouTube is not there? How will you earn? So I wanted something in the side.
Jagjot, we have a segment on our episode and it's called Phone a Feeling.
Okay.
Now, for all my listeners who are not watching this episode, picture a retro phone resting between the three of us on a coffee table. This is your opportunity to pick up the phone and call someone from your past, present, and future. Ah,
ये conversation. Take your time. You
पुलिस का नंबर दिख रहा है पहले तो. हाँ जी पुलिस सुनो. हाँ मुझे यहाँ पर बांध के रखा हुआ है, लोग बोल रहे कॉल करने. हाँ जी दादी कैसे हो? मैं एकदम बढ़िया. हाँ कार भी सब बढ़िया ने, सब अच्छे हैं. हाँ सिमरन थोड़ी चिड़चिड़ कर रही है, बहुत ज़्यादा परेशान करती है, बट ठीक है. तो नहीं गल दसूँ, छोटा ले रहा हूँ बट घर ले रहा हूँ फाइनली. आ जाएगा उन बहुत जल्दी. इतने हाँ बहुत प्रॉब्लम है, ऐसा नहीं कि नहीं है प्रॉब्लम. अभी दादी बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम है, मैंने सबका ध्यान रख लिया. हाँ वो पापा अभी भी चिड़चिड़ करता है, आपका ही बेटा ना, बट मैं क्या करूँ. आपने बोल के रखा था ना कि सबका ध्यान रखना है जाते जाते, तो रख रहा हूँ. हो गया, हरप्रीत भी सेट हो गया, जसप्रीत भी हो गई, मैं खुश हूँ. हाँ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ पता है मैं रोंदा हूँ कदी कदी. ठीक है दादाजी ने भी पता, ठीक है, लेकिन दसन ਦੀ ਲੋੜ नहीं है सब ਨੂੰ. कार वाले ਹੋਰ टेंशन ਲੈਣਗੇ. ਆਉਂਗਾ ਨਾ ਉੱਥੇ ਸੇਫ ਸਪੇਸ ਤੇ. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਮੈਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਰੱਖਦਾ ਹੁਣ, ਮੈਂ ਪੋਡਕਾਸਟ ਤੇ ਹੂੰ ਨਾ, ਤੇ ਉਹ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਗਾਲਾਂ ਕੱਢਣਗੇ. ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਵੀ ਹੈ ਇੱਥੇ. ਹਾਂ ਇਸ ਲਈ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਟੈਨਸ਼ਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ. ਨਹੀਂ ਓਕੇ ਦਾਦੀ ਟੇਕ केयर.
Sardara bhi.
Super.
चलो.
Wow. Oh my God.
Beautiful. Whoa.
कोई बात नहीं, ये तो हो जाता है.
you come with a lot of calmness for
For Punjabi, for Siddharth?
no. I mean, I'm not gonna go. No. Just the fact that you are a content creator who's carrying a tehrav, or मेरे ख्याल से it's also a lot to do with what has happened in your life and how you've reacted towards it. And I would have never guessed that a person like you would be a comedian. Do you understand what I'm saying? Because होता है ना, we expect a lot of comedians to open the door funnily, but there is no way you can open a door funnily. It is just intrinsically a part of who you are, right? And I think this is something that society expects from people who engage with comedy. ये तो हमेशा हंसाता रहेगा, और उनकी जिंदगी की सबसे बड़ी ट्रेजेडी यही होती है कि whenever they're there, people think इसको हंसाना जरूर. And I'll tell you an incident. I was at the Venice Film Festival, and there was an actor there who I adored, and I had seen all of his films. His name is Bill Murray. Can you imagine that my favorite comedian actor is in front of me, and with the way he was carrying himself, Jagjot, I did not have the guts to go even in his vicinity, because he was like, listen, and I think this was deliberate, or maybe this is who he is, that listen, that's me on the camera. This is my space, so I did not breach it. And I'm like, till now I think about it. Like, यार Bill Murray मेरे सामने था, मैंने इतनी gather नहीं, balls तो थी नहीं, but whatever I had, like gather नहीं करी कि मैं जाके उससे, ये कह पाऊँ कि भाई I love you. So this is what I learned about comedians that day, that not necessarily, and I think this is a very sad part of comedy also, of what's expected of comedians also.
You know, the sad part about being an artist, not specifically comedian, but an actor or an artist, is that for audience, you only matter till you're entertaining them. They won't care. Trust me.
The audience doesn't care.
The audience doesn't care. You know why? Today you're making. They would miss you. They would think about it. Okay, yeah, we miss them. They used to make content, but after 2 minutes, they'll forget that. I'm making content today. That's great. I'm making content. I'm making great content. I'm doing well and everything. People are watching me. But tomorrow, if I stop, some people would think, yeah, he used to make content. Where is he now? But that would change nothing for them. They would find someone else. There's always someone else they'll find. तो audience तो अच्छी होती है, but तुम अपने आप को उस प्रोसेस में मत भूल जाओ.
I like what you said. अपने आप को नहीं भूलना चाहिए. What's the process of नहीं भूलना? Like कैसे इंसान अपने आप को?
I think stick to your roots. Stay around all the people who you love, who are your friends, your family. They are the one who are actually giving you the validation. Trust me. Audience will give you validation for whatever you're doing. You're working. Yeah, they'll give you validation का तुम्हारा काम अच्छा है, बुरा है, क्या भी है. But your family will give you the true and real validation. Yes.
I like what you said a lot.
Yeah.
And there's another person who I want to quote, Rick Rubin. He said audience doesn't even exist for him. It comes the last. So if you're doing anything and you're thinking about the audience first, you have lost the plot
Yes.
already. It's counterintuitive to the game that you're playing, because then you're catering to someone who does not exist, because you don't know who your audience is, but you know who you are. So you do to the best of yours and carry that forward. And the audience will, the craft will find its own audience, or the product, or the content, or whatever it is that you're making.
Audience भी बहुत complicated है. Like I think
Moody है.
moody है. मतलब audience अगर अच्छी movie भी आती है तो कौन जाके देखता है?
कौन जा रहा है? कहते तो सब हैं. अब एक बहुत अच्छी फिल्म आई थी, and I have to Super Boys
of
Malegaon.
Yeah.
कितने लोगों ने देखी थिएटर में? कहते हैं अच्छी फिल्म देखनी चाहिए.
I didn't even know it had a theater release.
I did. I mean, I said, "Oh my God, I have to support." I love that film, and I'm just saying there are.
I think people like the idea of anything larger than life. People are already dealing with a lot of things in their life. But if there's something larger than life, यहाँ से कूद रहा है, वहाँ से कूद रहा है, तो वो एक मुझे लगता है mass audience को जो कहते हैं, वो ज़्यादा पसंद आता है देखने में.
And it might sound crude, but of course there are a lot of people who are living below the poverty line or just above it, and they also want to maybe in those 2-3 hours sit in air conditioned. These are the things that I have spoken to distributors, and they have told me कि लोग सिनेमा सिर्फ इसलिए नहीं देखने जाते हैं कि 2-3 घंटे उनको एसी में भी बैठने मिलेगा, और तो जो वो सिंगल थिएटर्स होते थे, सिंगल स्क्रीन्स होते थे, उसमें भी बहुत सारे लोग इसी वजह से जाते थे. And I loved those single screens. अब तो I don't think there's Chandan was the last one in Juhu, and it kind of
There's Gaiety Galaxy.
The
Gaiety Galaxy अब has.
Bringing a good topic and making it mainstream
Yeah.
is really difficult, and that's
It's a good
something
formula.
that's something
Workable.
If you're talking about India, Rajkumar Hirani has done it very well with Three Idiots or PK or Munna Bhai MBBS or the cult
Absolutely.
classic. That's how you do it.
Yeah.
Great. And now we have a game segment. So, in our game segment, we have scenario shuffle. A lot of chits in this. We're going to shuffle it. They're going to be scenarios, and we're going to enact with Jagjot on our side. Yeah.
अब आपका actor
Go
निकल रहा है.
ahead.
Chalo, theek hai. A girl runs into her toxic ex at a cafe, but now he's dating an influencer who insists on vlogging the whole interactions. Okay. Yeah, cheers. You know, I heard that girls don't use washroom. That's true.
Girls don't use washroom.
Yeah, I don't think so. I think they never poop. Do you think girls could ever poop?
Are you kidding me?
Ignoring me?
Oh,
What?
wait, who's that?
No, nobody. Must be some waiter or someone like that.
Oh, my manager. I have to shoot this cafe. They, you know,
Since
the
when have
coffee's
you
on the
started
house.
drinking coffee?
तेरे को कितनी बार बोला है मैंने कि तू यहाँ पर क्यों आई है? Why are you here right now?
और ये कौन बतख तेरे साथ बैठी है? ये कहाँ से आई है?
She's not a batak. She's my date right now. You told me ना to go away. अब मैं चले जा चुका हूँ.
ये कर क्या रही है?
उसको जो करना है करने दो. Why did you break up with me?
तुम्हें रात याद नहीं है?
हाँ?
उस रात तुमने मुझे वहाँ छोड़ दिया था.
अरे तो मैंने अगर एनिमल मूवी देख ली तो मेरी क्या गलती है?
तो क्यों फिर उसकी तरह एक्ट करने लगे तुम मेरे साथ?
मुझे नहीं
और
पता.
कौन सी मंदाना है यार?
प्लीज तू जा.
कौन सी मंदाना है
प्लीज
यार?
तू यहाँ से जा. मुझे बहुत ज्यादा तकलीफ हो रही है. आई एम ऑन अ डेट.
लेकिन तुम कॉफी पी रहे हो. तुमने शराब कब से छोड़ दी? जब से मैं छूटी तो शराब भी छूट गई तुम्हारी.
Listen, can you
ये
just
कौन अंग्रेजी
stop
बतख
recording?
लेके आ गए हो
Can you stop
तुम
recording
अपने
right now?
पास?
You know, I have come to this cafe because I
और तुम
am...
अंग्रेजी में क्या पटपट बोली जा रही है? मेरे से बात कर.
Hello, I'm an influencer.
सुन
I have to cover
कौन सा
this
influencer?
cafe.
सुन अभी.
Who is
मेरे ना
she?
दिमाग का
Who is
दिमाग मत
she?
खराब कर अभी.
Excuse
मैं
me.
कब से तुझे बोल
I'm
रहा
gonna
हूँ.
post
मेरा
about
दिमाग
her.
ना फट जाएगा ना. फट के किडनी के अंदर घुस जाएगा. ऐसे तू मत.
कॉफी पी रहा है.
कॉफी पीने की. कॉफी पी रहा हूँ. कॉफी पी
शराब से तो मुझे मॉडल तेरी हटती नहीं थी.
कॉफी पी रहा हूँ ना. तो क्या प्रॉब्लम? शराब पीता था तो तुझे प्रॉब्लम है. अपनी नस काट.
शराब छोड़ दी तूने.
अपनी नस में
Wait,
काट लो.
कैसा
did
आदमी
you
है
just
तू?
tell her अपनी नस काट लो? What's going on between the
नहीं,
both of
मुझे
you?
हिंदी आती है. देख एक्टिंग कर रही है.
उसको हिंदी
आती है उसे.
उसको पोर्चुगीज भी आती है. वो गोवा में रहती थी.
Oh my God.
वो गोवा में अगर रहती है तो उसको क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
नहीं मुझे प्रॉब्लम हिंदी आती है.
अरे
देख,
तू
उसे
बाधा
बाल-
बीत जाती है.
बाल
वो
रख ली है.
पार्लियामेंट में बैठी रहती है.
रख ली है. उसे तो बाल भी इसलिए देख मैं देखती हूँ कलर कराई है.
ए तू उसको
कौन है ये
बोल.
छपरी?
हाँ वो
कौन है ये छपरी?
अरे कर लिया मैंने छपरी को डेट. व्हाट कैन आई डू?
मुझे नहीं रहना है छपरी के साथ.
मैं छपरी नहीं हूँ. मैं कॉफी मत फेंकना मेरे पे.
तुम भी एक छपरी हो.
मैं छपरी हूँ. हाँ ठीक है मैं हूँ छपरी. मैं हूँ चूचा. मैं हूँ गॉड डैम इट. व्हाट कैन आई डू? मैं टॉक्सिक था. ये वो टॉक्सिक थी. अरे तू यहाँ से जा. टॉक्सिक बॉयफ्रेंड का टॉक्सिक गर्लफ्रेंड मिल गई थी. दिन खराब. ओके डन.
Wow. Yeah, this is the most she's acted all her life. Let's go. Jagjot, निकाल दी acting इससे.
एक्टर बनना है so I had to.
Wow. कैसा था team? Okay.
During this whole conversation, this is how both of them were. Like, I'll tell you how. Let's talk about Aslan first. So she was sitting like this all the time. मतलब कॉफी खत्म हो चुकी है लेकिन फिर मैं ग्लास पकड़ के बैठी रहूँगा. So if you have noticed, she smiles at the most random moments. You know, she's very serious, but she'll smile at the most random moments. She like talking. Okay. But Chikchut, one thing that, because I have been in this industry, and what do you think would be the next step? I don't agree with you, but what do you think? Oh, there's no coffee.
I love that. Jagjot, maza aa gaya. Amazing.
And now if we talk about just.
Oh, meri baari.
So, you want to go next? Okay. Jagjot, you were talking about हापका and वो ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है जो आपको पसंद है नहीं पसंद है? You can tell us. Oh, sorry, the cards are right here. I'll just keep it. Okay. Do I look scary? No? Okay. My ex used to tell me that I'm scary. Okay. So the outro is? And there's this one thing she'll keep doing, if you have noticed. She'll keep checking, I don't know, if you're just taking care of your lips or something like that. Like,
Oh my God, yeah, he picked that.
something like that.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
Wow.
you.
Wow. Super.
So good.
Thank you for watching yet another episode of Love Lingo podcast. Find us on Spotify, Apple Podcast, Amazon Music, or wherever you get your audio streaming from. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's Love Lingo Podcast. And find us on Instagram. We have an Instagram page, Ursula, which is called Love
Can you
Lingo
believe it? We have an
Podcast.
Love Lingo Podcast. Stop.
And yes, that is Aapka Jugs.
Yeah, आपका judge.
That is Aapka
And
Jugs.
and YouTube यार. आओ यारो, देखो ना तमाशा.
And let's make
Love
pop.
pop. Say
Again.
pop. Can
Love
you say
pop?
again?
Yes.
Again?
Make love pop again.
Make love pop again. Please make love. कोई love क्यों नहीं?
It's going to pop very soon.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
मैं चाहता हूँ कि मैं किसी का पॉपकॉर्न बनूं और कोई मेरी बेबी कॉर्न बने.